Hi, my name is Carmen and welcome to Carmen's Kitchen. I'm food lover and I want to share my favorite recipes on this channel. Today, I want to share with you one recipe from incredible country, Peru. And yes, the recipe is Peruvian Duck. This recipe is very rich and delicious and is very special for any occasion.
For ingredients, we need 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 whole grated onion, 1 whole duck, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of palillo powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sazonador, salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, yellow hot pepper, panca paper, olive oil. I start by putting my olive oil in my saucepan. I put my grated whole onion and a tablespoon of minced garlic. I will put 2 tablespoons of ají panca, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of palillo, 1/4 teaspoon of sazonador, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. I will leave cooking for about 7 minutes. Now I will place all the pieces of the dog inside the saucepan and I will stir everything until it's well mixed. I will put some garlic in the saucepan to increase the flavor of the dog. I will cover the saucepan and I will cook over a medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. I will check that the dog is cooking completely and I cover again for another 15 minutes. And finally, I check my dog one more time. That is juice and the meat is getting soft, and I let it cook for another 10 minutes and it will be ready. For my rocoto cream, I need 3/4 the evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon the minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, olive oil, 1 red onion grated, 2 rocotos or hot pepper, salt, half package of crackers, 1 bowl egg. Start by putting my olive oil in my saucepan. I put my grated whole onion and a tablespoon of minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste. I let the mixture cook for around 6 to 7 minutes. I will place 2 cut rocotos with only 1 seed or without seed, half package of crackers, also the mixture previously made of rocoto, 3/4 the evaporated milk. I will put 1 bowl egg and salt to taste. The rocoto cream will be ready.
As you can see, this recipe looks so delicious and tasty to eat. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.